I'm joined by the marketing manager of Avocet Hardware, Derek Purvis. Hello, Derek.
Hi, Michelle.
How are you doing today?
Very well, thank you.
Now, first off, tell us a little bit about Avocet Hardware and what they do.
Avocet Hardware are a manufacturer of window and door hardware. We've been in the market for probably about 25 years or so.
Wow.
And specifically, we're here today to talk to the locksmiths a bit more, to build on our relationship with them and educate them a little bit more about what we're doing with our new products.
Now, I do believe it has a little bit to do with the problem of lock snapping, doesn't it?
It has, yes. Effectively, lock snapping is well known within the locksmith market and has become gradually more adopted by burglars as a means of getting into households. Now, basically, the Euro cylinder lock has a problem with it around the fixing position. It's very, very easy to break in. With a set of mole grips, a burglar can get into a household within 10 to 15 seconds.
That quickly.
It's really that easy. We worked with West Yorkshire Police back in 2008 to help them put a product together that would combat this problem. And over the course of a year of development, we created a brilliant product that we brought onto the market, and over the last few years, it's become effectively the most secure lock on the market, and that is the highest accredited lock on the market as well, with the Sole Secure Diamond standard. Well, this is a standard Euro cylinder lock. This is a lock that would be on most people's homes in the UK, and it is held in place with one simple screw, and effectively this screw hole position creates a weakness in the lock. Now, over the last 5 years or so, the method of entry chosen by burglars, lock snapping, has risen dramatically, and effectively a burglar can attack your door and get in 15 seconds. A burglar would simply place a set of mole grips on the top of the cylinder after ripping the handle off, applying a little bit of pressure, the lock snapped, and the burglar can gain access. And it's that simple, 15 seconds in the ring. We've developed basically a retrofit product, which means that you can take out one of these substandard cylinders and you can replace it with an ABS cylinder, which has got patented built-in technology that stops this method of attack. It works unlike any other lock on the market. As I say, it's patented, it's been tested by the MLA, and has got the highest standard on the marketplace, which is their Sole Secure Diamond standard. So when the burglar puts some mole grips on top of ABS, in the same way he would do with a standard cylinder, the ABS lock will snap at the first sacrificial point. If the burglar then tries to attack ABS a second time, it will snap off in a predetermined position and will create a total barrier inside the lock case. So with ABS, it has a patented cam that locks in place and you can't get past it. It just creates a total barrier.
So what does this mean for the homeowner inside the house once this has happened?
The homeowner is still completely safe to open and close the door from the inside without any problems. ABS has done its job. It's kept the burglar out of the house whilst they're still safe and secure inside. The ABS lock has been installed in police target hardening programs. What they did is they installed ABS in East Leeds in 10,000 homes in areas that were having this problem. And effectively what happened is the burglars couldn't get in past ABS once these locks had been put in, and it stopped the problem and reduced the crime within the area by 32%.
Wow. Really works then.
It does absolutely. It's proven to work.
So, Derek, the product is tried, tested and proved. What's the next step?
It certainly is. The next step, again, we want to make it very easy for our customers to sell on the benefits to ABS to the end user at the end of the day. So what we're doing is we're putting together marketing materials, as you can see here, which helps educate the people that come into the locksmith showrooms why they should consider upgrading to ABS. And what we want to make sure that we do is we're not scaremongering the end user into this. We're giving them the opportunity to make an informed decision. We want them to basically prevent it happening, and this gives materials like this give the locksmith the opportunity to do that.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for talking to us. It's very interesting, and the best of luck over the weekend.
Thank you very much.